I'm Tessa Latecki, the Project Archives Assistant here at RC, and we are so excited to share with you RC's new Conservation Archives website. This site launched in December 2020 to provide open access to RC's Conservation Archives, which is made up of 78 different projects carried out throughout Egypt, starting in 1994, that were funded by the United States Agency for International Development, or USAID. These projects include excavations, conservation documentation, restoration work, field training schools, and all the associated documentation like the reports, photographs, maps, architectural drawings are housed in RC's conservation archives in our Cairo offices. What's really unique about our archive is that it documents work at sites all throughout Egypt and monuments of different time periods. For example, the Red Monastery is a Coptic site in central Egypt. There are several pharaonic tombs, like the Tomb of Anen, and mosques in historic Cairo, like Aslama Salatar. However, until recently, these materials were only available at our Cairo center, and only a limited number of records had been digitized. So in 2019, RC received a grant from the National Endowment for the Humanities, NEH, to digitize and publish our conservation and documentation archives online. The first phase of the project was to digitize and describe 3 projects from the archives and then to publish them to this platform that we created in partnership with UCLA Library and Notch 8 web developers. To ensure the sustainability of this project and that our records were preserved for the long term, RC teamed up with the UCLA Library. Previously, RC had published 2 collections with UCLA's International Digital Ephemera Project, or IDEP, in 2016. Now we've expanded that partnership so that all our digital archival material will be stored in UCLA's system and available both on the IDEP website and on RC's website, archives.rc.org. So this way, students, researchers, or really just anyone who's interested in Egyptian history can access and view our unique collections online.